We all love to add music to our videos to help make it look cool, to give it a nice feel, to give it a good vibe. And one of the best ways that music can enhance your video is to edit to the beat of the music. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. If we're just meeting for Licked, my name is Jason Yadlovski, and I'm going to show you how to edit to the beat of the music in Davinci Resolve. So let's jump into the video. So let's get into it. I'm assuming that you've already got a bunch of video clips that you want to edit together to the beat of some music. I'm also assuming you've already got your music track, and if you don't, you can check out Licked and go pick up some music to add to your video. So we're going to jump into Davinci Resolve here, and I'm going to show you how I would edit to the beat of the music. All right, here we are in Davinci Resolve, and we're going to get started editing some clips to the beat of the music. I've already got some clips in my timeline here, and it's a little sequence I got of making some hot chocolate. I've also already got some music in my timeline as well. So the first thing you want to do here in Davinci Resolve is make sure that you can see the waveforms of your music track. If you can't see the waveforms, come to this little icon right here, click on that, and this little button right here is going to show or hide your waveforms. You also want to come down to video view options and make sure you've got the middle one selected. So I'm going to come down and zoom in, and I've already got a rough cut of my clips, but I'm going to adjust them to the beat of the music so everything flows nice. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to start right here on the beginning of the music, right where it comes in. So now I just want to listen for the beat of the music. And if you're not sure how to find that, one way is to kind of look for audio spikes. Although in this kind of case, a lot of our audio levels here are the same or similar, but you want to listen for note changes or maybe a kick drum or some kind of beat that you can hear in the music. And that's going to be where you want to make your cuts. So if I play through here, I notice right around here, we've got a change in the note, and that's where I want to change my clip. So let me just play through that and give that a listen. Okay, so right here, I was watching the waveforms, and right here is where it changed. So I'm going to drag this in, and I'm going to bring in my next clip, put them together, and then now the video will change right with the beat of the music. So I know I'm putting down the cup here, and let's say I want that to be a little bit closer. So I'm going to come up to here, drag it back, listen a little more. Okay, so right here, it changed again. Here's where I want my next cut to be. I'm going to drag my next clip over. I'm going to watch the clip a little bit and make an adjustment. So it changed again right here. So I'm going to cut my clip. I'm going to cut my clip again. We'll take this part out, drag it together. And then another beat is right here. So a lot of this is just listening to the music and deciding where is that point where there's a note change, where there's a beat. Just listen to the music a few times and see if you can get a rhythm going or hear where things are changing in the song. So that's basically the gist of it. It does take a little bit of an ear, but it's really not that hard, and I think anybody is able to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and take all the clips I have and edit them to the beat of this song, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end with all of the clips edited to the beat of the music. I've got the edit all done. I'm going to show it to you right now. Did a little bit of color grading, and this is what I ended up with. So if you had any trouble editing your clips to the beat of the music, feel free to leave a comment down below. Again, for Licked, my name is Jason Yadlovski, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.